Hello students, welcome to my class. During this COVID-19 pandemic, I think you all are doing well at home. I am Upasna and I will teach you one part of your social science, that is your economic part. And today I am going to discuss second unit of your economics part, that is economic development. In this chapter, we have to discuss certain things like what is economic growth, what is economic development, difference between economic growth and economic development, human development, etc. So let's start. First of all, we have to know that what is economic growth. Okay, so economic growth refers to increase in amount of goods and services produced by an economy during an accounting year. In other words, we can say that if an economy can produce more goods and services more than before, then economic growth takes place at that economy. This concept of economic growth relates to growth in output, per capita income and national income. Here, you have to know that what is national income and what is per capita income. National income refers to the money value of all final goods and services produced by an economy during an accounting year. Now, here I want to tell you one more thing, that what is final goods. Final goods are those goods which are either used in consumption purpose or used in investment purpose. Now, suppose an economy produce 100 unit of final goods and services in a certain year. Okay, and the money value of that 100 units of output is 500 crore. Then national income is 500 crore for that economy at that year. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. Now come to the per capita income. Per capita income means per person income, or it gives us income per head. We can calculate per capita income by dividing national income by total population of a country. Okay, so per capita income equal to national income divided by total population. Now from this discussion, we can say that the rising of income level, rising of output level, or rising of per capita income or national income is generally called economic growth for a nation. This concept of economic growth is basically a quantitative concept. Okay, as it mainly measures the per capita income and national income rather than overall economic development. And this concept is regarded as a narrow concept because it concerns only with rate of increase in national income and per capita income. In mid 60s, per capita income was taken as a major indicator to distinguish between developed and developing nation. According to the bank, the countries above per capita income of rupees $750 was developed countries, and the countries with per capita income below that figure were underdeveloped countries. But in later, economic growth is not not used to indicate economic development. Later on, another concept is come, that is economic development. So let's see what is economic development. Till 1960s, the term economic development was often used as a synonyms of economic growth in economic literature. But in modern version of economic development, it is not longer considered identical to economic growth. Economic development refers economic growth plus some structural changes. It means development of agriculture sector, development of health, development of infrastructure, etc. In other words, we can say that economic development is considered to mean growth plus progressive changes in certain variables which determine well-being of the people. Economic development basically a qualitative concept as it is related to not only quantitative increase in per capita income but also with the qualitative changes in economic wants, economic goods and institution. And economic development regarded as a very broader concept because it deals not only quantitative concept of increase in per capita income and national income but also some structural and institutional changes which is economically and socially significant. From this discussion, we can say that economic development is the process in which an economy grows or changes and becomes more advanced by adopting new technologies, transmission from agriculture based to industry based economy, and generally improvement in living standard. Now, you have to know that what are the different scope of economic development and why economic development is called broader concept than economic growth. If in an economy per capita income and national income is increased, then it is regarded as economic growth. But economic development goes much beyond that. It also looks into those increase in income are equally distributed or not in between is in every section of society. Again, if output of an economy increases more than before, then we call it as economic growth. But composition of output means those output which is increase are socially beneficial or not. Those things also be examined by economic development. If those outputs are not socially beneficial output like suppose drugs, wine and other alcoholic items, then it is not regarded as economic development. Moreover, economic development also concerned with in what cause economic growth take place. If with increase in output and per capita income, environment also degrade and natural resources are exploited more than what we need, then it is not economic development. Economic development basically emphasize on sustainable development. Do you know what is sustainable development? Sustainable development means fulfilling the needs of present generation without deduction of resources for the future generation. And as I told you that sustainable development also relate with some institutional changes like development of education, health sector, banking sector, etc. So, these are the scope of economic development. Now, we have to discuss what are the basic difference between economic growth and economic development. Please write down the question. Distinguish between economic growth and economic development. Please make a table with 3 rows in your copies. In first row and first column, you write basis. It means in what basis we can distinguish between economic growth and economic development. And you write economic growth in second column and then write economic development in third column. At first, we can distinguish between economic growth and economic development on the basis of definition. So write definition on basic column and write definition of economic growth. What is economic growth? Please write economic growth refers to increasing amount of goods and services produced by an economy during an accounting year. This concept relates to growth in output, per capita income and national income. I repeat, economic growth refers to increase in the output of goods and services produced by an economy during an accounting year. This concept relates to growth in output, per capita income and national income. Okay. Now write the definition of economic development. Economic development refers economic growth plus some structural and institutional sources which is socially and economically significant. It is a process in which an economy grows or changes and becomes more advanced by adopting new technologies, transmission from agriculture based to industry based economy, and general improvement in living standards. Now you have to write second difference on the basis of scope. So write scope on basis column and then write economic growth is a narrow concept as it is concerned only with rate of change in or increase in national income and per capita income. Then write economic development basically a broader concept as it not concerned only with increase in per capita income and national income, but also it relates with some structural and institutional changes which is socially and economically significant. Now we make difference between economic growth and economic development on the basis of concept. Then write concept on basis column and then write economic growth is a quantitative concept as it mainly measures the per capita income and national income rather than overall economic development. I repeat, economic growth is basically a quantitative concept as it mainly measures the per capita income and national income. But economic development is a qualitative concept as it is related to not only quantitative increase in per capita income but also with qualitative changes in economic wants, economic growths and institutions. Okay, now write fourth difference. Please write. There may be economic growth without economic development. There may be economic growth without economic development. But there cannot be economic development without economic growth. I repeat. So these are the four main difference between economic growth and economic development. So you have to write four more questions. What is economic growth? Why economic growth is called narrow concept and quantitative concept? Next, what is economic development? Why economic development is called broader concept and qualitative concept? Next, what are the different scope of economic development? So please write down and try it home. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.